GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn off.
Bloomington, Indiana, told me, won't you slow down, son? Flagstaff, Arizona, showed me where we all come from. And Silver Spring, Maryland, is where I got this old guitar. Arkansas, Andorra, is where I first fell for her. Let's go east, running down the river. West, we've already been south, yeah, and it feels like home. But my true north is anywhere we can go. Whoa. Church, North Virginia, is where we took our first steps. Santa Cruz, California, that was one hell of a trip. Skokie, Illinois, is where you met Dad for the first time. And Sayulita, Mexico, is where I said, will you be mine? Let's go east, running down the river. West, we've already been there. South, yet it feels like home. But my true north is anywhere we can go. Whoa. But my true north is anywhere we can go. Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully. Well, I can't believe the world's still turning, 'cause we're hopelessly alive. You mean the sunrise.
Super focus. Check out your video. Swipe to see the photo.
We're still miles away from the end of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly